let's make a Punjabi style instant carrot pickle. Very quick, within 2 minutes the pickle is ready. You can enjoy the beautiful combination of flavors. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. For this recipe, we need 500 grams of carrot, cleaned and cut into batons like this. 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, and grind it to a very fine powder like this. 10 pieces of chilies, add to the carrots. Half tablespoon of black sesame seed, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and the grind powder. Add all onto the carrots. 1 tablespoon of salt, half cup of vinegar. Combine well, let the spices coat with the carrots like this. Can keep it aside. Onto a pot, half cup of mustard oil. Bring to a smoking point. Add to the marinated carrots. Give a quick mix. Carrot pickle is ready to serve. It is very quick and instant pickle. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? About this one, have you never tried it? What about this one? Just make sure